Hello, everyone. I'm Yunin, the virtual assistant for the MOE project on digital humanities. This semester, our project at the Department of English has organized a competition titled
Taiwan Culture and Sustainable Development, the second AI visual creation postcard design competition.
Now, let me quickly share what we're aiming to do with this competition. This competition aims to help students learn more about Taiwanese culture and sustainable development while improving their English and computer skills. Participants will use AI to create postcard images depicting the challenges Taiwan faces in sustainable development, as well as their aspirations for Taiwan's future. By describing these postcards in English, students share their ideas on how to solve environmental problems in Taiwan and show their dreams for a sustainable future. Next, let's talk about who can join in. The competition is open to students from all colleges and universities across Taiwan. You can enter the competition in teams of 1 to 2 students. Moving on to what you'll need to submit. In this competition, you're primarily required to submit 2 postcards, AI image generation prompts, and a description of the work in English. Starting with the postcards, the first one should capture your observations of the challenges and shortcomings that Taiwan faces in sustainable development. The second one should depict your ideal blueprint for a sustainable Taiwan. Next, the AI image generation prompts are used to draw the 2 postcards. Finally, the work's description in English is limited to 250 words, focusing on the thoughts between Taiwanese culture and sustainable development, and the importance and impact of these themes on society through creative expression. When to submit your entries and how to do it.
The call for submissions is open from September 25, 2024 to November 27, 2024, until 23 o'clock.
To submit your work, please complete the process online through a Google form. If you're participating as a team of 2 students, you'll only need to fill out 1 form for the team.
As shown on the slide, the first place will receive a 5,000 new Taiwan dollar book voucher, the second place a 4,000 new Taiwan dollar book voucher, the third place a 3,000 new Taiwan dollar book voucher, and approximately 5 honorable mentions will each receive a 1,000 new Taiwan dollar book voucher.
There are many AI drawing tools available on the market, such as Midjourney, Copilot Designer, etc. Before we get into the official tutorial, let's first understand the AI drawing prompts. Depending on the tool used, drawing prompts may vary slightly. However, for the purpose of our competition today, the drawing prompts should ideally include the following 3 elements. 1. Describe the background of the image, preferably with symbolic objects. 2. Describe the problem and its impact. 3. State the purpose of the drawing. For instance, today I aim to create drawings centered around 2 Taiwanese cultural themes, environmental protection and historical preservation, in addition to a sustainable development theme, sustainable urban and rural development. In this context, my prompt will first describe the background using ancient temples and Fujian-style buildings to symbolize Taiwan's cultural heritage and historical significance. Then, it will highlight specific issues such as plastic waste and pollution to showcase the negative impact of irresponsible consumption and production. Finally, the prompt underscores our objective to present these issues through this scenario, aiming to instill a sense of urgency and responsibility among the audience. This encourages advocacy and the adoption of more sustainable lifestyles to protect our cultural heritage that links us to the past. AI drawing prompts can also be facilitated by ChatGPT. Here's a simple example. First, inform ChatGPT that we require text for AI drawing commands, specifying a word count limit for the generated text, such as 120 words. Then, explain that the themes for the AI drawing prompts revolve around Taiwanese culture and sustainable development. Finally, ensure to mention that the generated prompts should incorporate the 3 essential elements, describe the background, problem and impact, and emphasize the purpose. Following the introduction to AI drawing prompts, I'll guide you through the basic operation of 2 free online AI drawing apps, Copilot Designer and Leonardo.ai, both accessible through a web interface. Starting with Copilot Designer. Navigate to the Copilot Designer homepage. Here, the top of the page is dedicated to entering prompts. Once your prompt is entered, press the Create button to initiate image generation. Here are the AI-generated image results from Copilot Designer. Moving on to Leonardo.ai, upon entering the Leonardo.ai homepage, select AI Image Generation on the left side of the page. Like Copilot Designer, the top of the page is where prompts are entered. Leonardo.ai, however, offers more flexible functionalities compared to Copilot Designer. This includes an options area on the left where you can adjust settings such as the number of images generated, and image width and height. Below the prompt input area, a drop-down menu allows for the selection of a generation style. For instance, aiming for a more realistic style, I chose Dynamic, Environment, and Photography as my styles. Here are the AI-generated image results from Leonardo.ai. This concludes the basic operation guide for Copilot Designer and Leonardo.ai. Thank you for your attention. Please feel free to scan the QR code to visit our official website for more details and the submission form. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us via email.